The cost of renting a backhoe for up to 10 days is $270 for the first day and $135 for each additional day. Which of the following equations gives the cost y in dollars of renting the backhoe for x days, where x is a positive integer and x is less than or equal to 10? Now, for this question, if you glance at the answer choices, you'll notice that all of them look like linear functions. So we know that we are being asked to write a linear equation. Now remember, linear functions look like this: y equals mx plus b, whereby the two main things that we care about are m, which happens to be the slope, and then b, which happens to be the y-intercept. But in more, I guess, understandable terms, this is your initial value right here. So one thing that I've been seeing more and more on the SAT with these types of questions, there's a little twist to this question, whereby you're being presented a different rate for the first day, or X number of days, or N number of days. In our case here, it's just for one day, we're paying $270, and then for the remainder of the time that we're going to have this machine, it'll be $135 each day. So there's a little tweak that we need to consider when you're writing this kind of question, where you have a different price for the first day, or first how many days, and then it goes on to like a consistent rate for the remainder of the days. And that equation is as follows: y equals the slope. Now the only change we're making is that in here, you're going to have x minus n, and I'll explain. N in this case represents the number of days that you're paying a different rate. And then everything else remains the same. So in this context for this question, we'll have each additional day is 135. That sounds like a constant rate, so that's your slope. It's going to be 135 x, and then we're paying a different rate for only one day. So n would be 1 in our case, plus b happens to be the price that we're paying on that first day, so plus 270. And now all we need to do is simplify this equation, and we'll have our answer. So distribute 135x minus 135 plus 270. We have like terms. These two are like terms. Negative 135 plus 270 is positive 135. That makes D the answer to this question.